Hey there, pizza enthusiasts, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home pizza making with the DiaVolo Gas Pizza Oven. Now, making perfect pizzas at home might sound like a dream. But does this compact pizza oven live up to the hype? Stick around as we uncover its features, performance, and whether it's really worth the dough. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our in-depth product reviews. The DiaVolo Gas Pizza Oven promises to be a beginner-friendly option for fresh pizza lovers, but does it truly deliver? Let's find out. This portable outdoor oven comes with everything you need to start cooking, except the gas supply. It's designed to work with standalone gas bottles, so make sure you have a good supply on hand for longer cooking sessions. The compact design of this pizza oven is tailored for smaller portions, making it ideal for home use. Weighing 9 kilograms, it's quite portable, though the shape can be a bit tricky to maneuver. The quality finish, available in green or navy, adds a touch of style to your cooking setup. Setting up the DiaVolo Gas Pizza Oven is fairly straightforward. You'll need to attach the legs, control knob, and gas pipe according to the manual's instructions. The overall build quality is impressive, which justifies its price tag of £349. Firing up the oven is easy with the self-ignition feature, but you can also use a match for a more traditional approach. The flames along the back of the oven create that classic pizza-making ambience. The included stone and temperature gun help you monitor and maintain the cooking heat. Now, here's where my adventure began. With a box of fresh dough in hand, I set out to create a masterpiece. However, I learned that using the DiaVolo Gas Pizza Oven requires a bit of finesse. Choosing the right-sized pizza is crucial, and starting with smaller, compact pizzas is key to success. Unfortunately, my first attempt didn't go as planned. I made the mistake of using a larger pizza, which resulted in uneven cooking. While parts of the pizza turned out crispy and delicious, the rest remained soggy. It became clear that pizza making is an art that takes practice. Aside from the cooking process, I also realized that making pizza at home can get messy. Flour was everywhere, and the cleaning process proved challenging. Ultimately, I discovered that the DiaVolo Gas Pizza Oven is perfect for those who are experienced pizza makers or are willing to invest time in learning the art. In a nutshell, the DiaVolo Gas Pizza Oven is a great option if you're passionate about making your own fresh pizzas. It offers a beginner-friendly experience that gets better with practice. Just remember, achieving pizza perfection takes time and dedication. And there you have it, our review of the DiaVolo Gas Pizza Oven. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow pizza lovers. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.